Question is integration for tan inverse x dx. Now how we can get the result in the less time and easiest way? Okay, now let tan inverse x is equal to theta, then what we are having, x is equal to tan theta. Now differentiating with respect to x, dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Now let's put these values in the question. Now we are having integration of tan inverse x is what? Theta, and dx is what? Secant square theta d theta. Is it clear? Now integrating by parts. Integrating by parts, taking this as the first and this as the second function. I L A T E or L I A T E. Okay. So now we are having first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration of secant square theta d theta d theta. Is it clear? Now this becomes theta with secant square theta, that is tan theta. Integration of secant square theta is tan theta minus integration of tan theta d theta, because this becomes 1. Now we are having theta tan theta minus log mod of secant theta plus c. Now to this part, what we can write it? Theta tan theta minus log under the root. Now secant theta, secant square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta. So this becomes 1 plus tan square theta plus c. Now we have to put the values which we have supposed it. Let tan inverse x is equal to theta. So what we are having, theta is tan inverse x, tan theta is what? X minus log under the root 1 plus x square plus c, or this can be written x tan inverse x minus log 1 plus x square plus c. Answer.